Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I just hope that you're having a great day. Firstly, I just want to say thank you guys for 1,500 subscribers. I know I've been on vacation for a while. I've been MIA. I haven't been posting a lot of real estate content, but you guys still stuck by me. And even though since getting to 1,000 subscribers, I didn't post a lot, I was still able to get to 1,500 subscribers, and it's all thanks to you guys. So I'm back more determined than ever to put out these real estate videos for you guys. So thank you again so much for your support. So being that this is the first video back, I'd like to throw out a subscriber challenge for the remainder of September. I'd like to see if we can get to 2,000 subscribers by the end of September. Do you guys think we can do it? Comment down below if you think we can make it to 2,000 subscribers by the end of September or not. But anyway, welcome to another Real Estate Moments by Boothe video, where my aim here is to allow you to experience the different properties that I get the privilege of getting access to. My name is Akeem Boothe, Moments by Boothe on Instagram, so you can head on over there and follow me up to see bits and pieces of my everyday life, behind the scenes content, and just everything that I do to make these videos possible for you. So before we jump into the video, I want to announce a new segment on Real Estate Moments by Boothe videos, where I am going to be doing a segment called the comment of the week. How this works is I'm going to pick out the best of the best comments for the duration of the period that I have been posting videos on YouTube, and then putting the best of the best comments one by one in each and every one of my videos from here on out. Alright? As a matter of fact, let me jump into the comment of the week for this week, which comes from Mr. Mikhail Dempster, and it says, "This type of content that you posted was really good for your first time. Keep it up. Fire emoji, 100 emoji." And this was a comment from the very first real estate video that I ever posted. I didn't really know what I was doing at the time. I was just trying something, and him leaving this comment really, I would say, aided in me building up a bit more confidence to continue doing these real estate videos. So Mikhail, I just want to say thank you. Thank you a lot for your positivity and your encouragement in leaving this comment. Alright, but we're still not ready to jump into the video as yet, because I'm also going to introduce another segment, a very special segment called the Country of the Week. How this works is the first subscriber from a particular country to comment that they're from that country and then throw up their country's flag in that comment. I will shout them out and shout their country out as well. So the country of the week for this week is hails from all the way in Great Britain, and it's from London, England, and it's from Miss Lorna Lorman, and it says, "Hello Mr. Boothe, more modern homes, enjoyed watching your footage, keep up the good work, loving them all the way from London, England." In it, heart emoji, 100 emoji, Great Britain flag, Jamaica flag, winky face. I would have loved if she had used the England flag, because I think, yeah, London is the capital of England, right? But she used the Great Britain flag, which is okay in the main as well. So Miss Lorna from London, big up yourself. I'm a Manchester boy myself, big up Manchester United, but I'm very appreciative of you leaving this comment and me being able to shout you out and shout your country out as well. But enough of the chattings. I know I'm ready for the video. Are you ready? Run me intro. Alright, so today's realtor is Mrs. Crystalee Gayle-Ebanks. You can find her on Instagram at Crystalee Properties, and she has us heading to the ever-buzzing city of Kingston, more specifically Kensington Crescent, to look at a brand spanking new 1-bedroom apartment that is available for rent for an asking price of just $1,000 US. But you don't know my style already. I'm about to flip the camera around and give you guys a time lapse of how to get there. Akeem out. Alright, so we're here at Kensington Gate and we're about to check out the underground parking first before we go upstairs and look at the building. Alright? Alright, so this is your underground parking area. Of course, each unit has its own designated space, but there's additional parking upstairs as well, should in case you have any guests coming over. And it is a large parking space. We have signs denoting where the exit is. So it shoots up to this side right here, where there is beautiful greenery. There are palm trees planted, so you know over time those will grow out and this space will become even more lush. Let me just step back so you guys can get a view of what the building actually looks like. It's in this teal and gray finish, and up there or up here is where the additional parking is that I was talking about, and there's also additional parking to that side as well. So follow me now as we head upstairs to look at this beautiful 1-bedroom apartment. All right, so we're literally going back through where we just came to head on upstairs to check out the apartment. And we're going up. All right, so we're upstairs now. There's a bit of construction still going on because this place, even though the units are moving ready, it's not fully completed as yet, but it's just about there, all right? So we're about to step inside the unit right now. So moving into the unit, as a matter of fact, let me close this door so we can drown out some of the noise. So moving into the unit, we realize that this space has high ceilings and it is a gorgeous space. Let me just pull my phone out and tell you exactly what are. All right, so it is 905 square feet in total. And what is a must in these units, of course, is a in-unit laundry. So we have the setup right here. The traditional wash tub. We still have the high ceilings going all throughout, and we have some molding at the top of the ceiling right there. We also have the setup for your washer and dryer with hot and cold water and a power outlet right there to plug it in. So I'll give you guys a slow pan up so you can see the space coming back down. And it is a beautiful sliding door setup right here. Gorgeous setup. Gorgeous setup. All right, so moving away from that, I want to showcase this lovely kitchen. And of course, as you can see, it is a open concept living, dining and kitchen area in this 1-bedroom apartment. So I love the modern aesthetic of this kitchen. I figure more or less this is the area for your refrigerator. Yeah, I think the refrigerator goes right here. And then you'll have this countertop area right here for all your appliances. There is a power outlet right there. I love this backsplash. It really accents the space well because it's a all white space. You can see that the ceilings are textured and the cupboards are white as well. Beautiful cupboards, and I love that they come with the soft close feature. That's always a nice touch in these units. All right, so we have shelving right there, shelving right here. I'm always a fan of dark cabinetry, but in this space with the white paint, everything all white, the white cabinets really are marvelous. And don't even get me started on the sink. I typically love double bowl sinks, but this single bowl sink is really modern looking, really gorgeous, absolutely stunning. So we can showcase underneath here, which is a large space. You could store whatsoever it is your heart desires underneath there. And again, we have the soft close counters. So there's ample spacing right here. Your stove goes right there. There's more spacing underneath here. And I love that there's just this notch right here that you put your fingers in when you're looking to open these cabinets. So there's a lot of space for one person, because this is a 1-bedroom. So a lot of space for 1 or 2 persons if it's a couple to store their utensils, their pots, their pans for cooking and all of that. You have a phone right here that you can use to reach out to security whenever your heart desires. There's also another power outlet right there. And there is a additional space right here that you can close off at your own convenience. It is by design, so it can be customizable by you. This could be a broom closet based on how it is situated. Mr. Ebanks was just coming in and I told him no. So we see that there is ventilation inside this half bath that is situated off the kitchen area. There is a beautiful toilet that is inside here, and just an absolutely gorgeous toilet paper rack that is there. We have this beautiful vanity as well. This nice, I don't think there's any water running through, nor is there any electricity, because as I stated before, this is a brand new unit. It also comes with these beautiful doors that are very modern. They come with the stainless steel trim to match all of the stainless steel appliances that will be in this space, and also the stainless steel trim or finishes on the toilet paper rack, and also the faucet. All right, so moving right along, we have this blue accent wall in your living room area, and it goes really nicely with the backsplash, which is over here in the kitchen. We have our Windy air conditioning units. Big up Windy, they're #1 in Jamaica in terms of air conditioning units. So if you're ever looking for an air conditioning unit, you can look for a Windy air conditioning unit, and you can find them via a company called Carlisa. All right, so this is where the air conditioning unit sit that gives air conditioning to the living, dining and kitchen area, and then the one that gives air conditioning to your bedroom is situated right here. But this space outside is a beautiful space. We're actually on the 4th floor of this building, and I think it goes up 2 more floors. So yes, I see 2 more floors plus a rooftop terrace and a pool that we're going to get to more so to the latter part of this video. So we can see the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel to our right. You can see all of the Kingston Harbor from here. My camera is definitely not doing this space any justice, and there's NTB right next door, and of course Scotia is close by. So if you realize you're very close to everything that you need to be close to living at this property. It's a very central location, and I am 100% sure you guys will enjoy living in this space. All right, and as you can see, we can step out and in through 2 doors if you put the sliding doors together in the center right there. And this allows for a lot of fresh air to come in. This allows for a lot of natural sunlight to come in. It is not as sunny outside right now, but there's a lot of light coming in because outside is really overcast. But if I step back and you guys can see, there is a lot of natural sunlight coming in. Again, there is a space right here that you can customize yourself. It can be a pantry. It can be whatever you want it to be. It is by design, just like the space over here. So let us move right into the piece de resistance, the 1-bedroom, the master suite, whatever you want to call it. Again, we have the windy air conditioning unit inside. We have this beautiful blue accent wall that goes absolutely well with these doors, and the white paint as well. I just love the color scheme in this property. It is very modern, very chic. I would definitely live here without a shadow of a doubt. So we have this closet area right here, which is not a walk-in closet. It's just a closet with a sliding door. You know, you can run your rod from here to there, and you can have your clothes situated how you would like, or you can put shelving in this space and have all of your clothes folded and not actually hung up. A large window right here as well to let in a lot of natural sunlight and a lot of breeze that is coming off the Kingston Harbor. So one thing is for sure, I'm in this space right now. There's no fan on because there's no electricity here. Typically I would be sweating, but I'm not because I'm getting a really nice breeze coming from off of the Kingston Harbor flowing into this property. Let me step back into this corner. Let me show from the door up all the way around. So this is how this space is actually situated, and it is a beautiful space indeed. Moving right along, we come to this area again, which is an additional space that you can do whatever it is you want to do with it. It can be a linen closet for you. You can have shelving going all the way up. You can store towels. You can store sheets. It's all customizable to the person or individual who buys this property. Now, we have this additional space again, which can be your walk-in closet if you would like, or whatsoever you want to do with it. If you want to turn it even into a 2nd bedroom, maybe you can add a small bed running across there, and if someone comes over, is staying over, they can actually sleep inside here if that's something that you want to do. It's a very customizable space, so it's whatever you want to do with it. I would definitely turn it into a closet because you guys know me. I'm all about the clothing. You guys know that I really love my clothing. So this space would be a closet space, and that space over there would be a closet space as well. So let's move into the ensuite bathroom. You guys know me already. Gorgeous countertop, beautiful single vanity, a nice large mirror, We have the soft close on those drawers as well. Similar toilet paper rack or holder. Similar toilet as is in the half bath. We have a towel rack right there. We have this window right here for ventilation purposes. And we have a standing shower right here with, of course, the raindrop shower head, the attachments for bathing specific places. And we have this shower with multiple functions I can see. And it comes with a faucet as well. I also like the tiling on the walls. It really matches the space with its white and gray accents. And all in all, this one bedroom apartment is a very lovely space. Again, it is modern, it is chic, the color scheme is beautiful. Everything about this space is extremely lovely. So right now, we're about to head outside of this property and head upstairs to look at the pool and the open terrace. So I'll check in back with you guys when we get outside there. All right, so we're currently upstairs at the area where the open terrace, the rooftop terrace is. And we're actually in the space where I think there's going to be a gym in this space right here. I think this is what they're making it up to be, a gym in this space. But as you can see, there is like a gazebo type setting right here, a gazebo type setting right there. So, you know, if you want to host like your little small events, your little birthday parties and all that jazz, you can definitely host them on the rooftop here. There's also virtually a 360-degree view of the surrounding area. So you can see the National Stadium over there. But this side is not really the side that has that absolutely stunning view of the water. You know, maybe, well, when it's New Year's time and, you know, they're shooting off the fireworks over at National Stadium side, you know, you will definitely be able to see that. But also, when they're shooting off the fireworks down by the waterfront, you know, you'll be able to see that as well. So we're about to go over to that side so I can show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. You can hear the noise in the background because there's still some work being done. I'm just about to try to show you guys the pool area. My boss, give me a quick pass there. Yeah man, I know say I paint. Yeah man, I realize. So this is the pool area right here. Of course, there's water in it, but it's not fully functional as yet. Needs to be cleaned. But it is a very sizable pool for the space. And once you're up here, you get that nice panoramic view of downtown, the harbor. You can see the airport, you can see Portmore, you can see a lot from this vantage point, and it's a beautiful space. So this is the other side that I was telling you about, and it is just gorgeous. I can even see myself just sitting out here, enjoying this space, enjoying time with friends and family. So as you guys can see, I almost forgot that there is actually a area here where you can wash your hands or use a restroom or just wash off whenever you get out of the pool. Of course, it's not fully completed as yet. This is the final area that is being worked on right now. So it will be finished in short order. But this has been another Real Estate Moments video by Akeem Boothe. I just hope that you guys enjoy this property. Leave your comments down below regarding your thoughts on this property. Reach out to Crystalee regarding renting this property, and you can look out for more Real Estate Moments videos by me. Also remember that we're trying to hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of September, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below to become a part of the Momentous family. AB signing out. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some more Real Estate Moments by Boothe on the Moments by Boothe YouTube channel.